Hey, what's up, you guys? Back with another video, a video that I know you guys are really going to enjoy. Like I said, I was going to show you guys how to put on some bike parts. I couldn't get the part I was telling you guys about, the custom parting yet, so we're going to wait on that. But at the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys how to put in the steering tube, like I said, the headset. As you can see, I have one of the pedals on. The pedals came in. I just put one of them on just to see how it kind of looked, which I think is going to look great after I start adding more of the brown parts in there. Like I said in my previous videos, it's going to have some black, some gold, some brown. I got these 90-degree rings, a black one and a gold one, like I was just saying, both twisted. So yeah, it's going to be a nice video showing people how to, how to build a lowrider bike. And between this video and that video, I'm gonna go ahead and put some videos of me actually riding the bike, showing you guys the bike, which I think you guys are gonna really think is really cool. And I want to go ahead and give a shout out to Aztec Bike Club. Like I said, in one of these clips that you guys gonna see here, I give them a shout out, but I want to go ahead and give them another shout out. And yeah, man, hope you guys enjoy. Making this video for you guys real quick to kind of show you guys a little bit more detailed, look at the blue bike. Got the other bike over here just chilling. I only got some on my shore now, but got something nice coming in. But yeah, I just kind of want to, show you guys a little bit more in depth, what this bike is. The rims, I'm going to take them off here soon and probably clean them, man, make those real nice and shiny. But you guys can see I got the blue twisted frame. On this bike, I went twisted, but not too crazy on the twisted. I want to keep it kind of, nice and clean. You feel me? Kind of went with the white, ducktail, what's it called, fenders. I got the round mirrors right here with the blue, to match the bike. Got the blue dice there. Got the blue dice on the rims. Like I said, I'm gonna go over and clean these white walls too, man. Make these, really pop out. Summertime's coming, and I really do like to ride this bike, man. And usually is a head turner when I'm riding it. I got the butterfly double twisted. I like these pedals a lot because I got a big foot, kind of not huge, but I kind of wanted something kind of wide, so I thought those were real nice. Got the lowrider, you know, lowrider. Got to rep the lowrider. Kind of simple, kind of chain guard. I went with the just single one, twisted sissy bar. Got my son's old Cortezes, my daughter's actually, because they both wore them. Got those hanging there. I went with the white seat, but I do want to put another seat on it soon. Just small little changes to it. I got the bird cage, steering wheel to kind of match the bird cage handlebars and the bird cage fork. But this bike here, as you guys can see, it's gonna be a straight fork. It's not your bent fork, because I'm kind of a tall guy and I like to ride smooth, So I thought a straight fork for now would be cool, just something cool to ride. Got the air freshener kind of matching. I do have a speaker that usually has a magnet in the back, so when I'm usually riding, I'll grab the speaker and just place it here, and it kind of just sticks to there because of the metal or the steel. So what else can I tell you guys about this bike, man? I don't know. This bike was something simple, but the parts, they weren't too bad. They weren't crazy expensive, but some of them were. The rims kind of were. These rims are fucking bad. They're not typical. Too crazy on the spokes. I thought it would look kind of clean. That old school look. I know everybody likes spokes, man, but these actually look real nice, man. I actually like these ones more than the 140, 120 spoke, whatever it is. But on this bike, I think I am gonna go big on the spokes. Like I said, it's more like a show bike. on this end, but I do want to ride because I like riding my bikes. If I'm gonna build it, I'm gonna ride it. And oh yeah, look, this was twisted too. The seat post, just little details like that. The chain. Like I said, I ordered a white one, bro. But dang, man, got all my bike stuff over here. But as you can see, man, that does not look white at all. Stained from the inside. I wasn't really happy with the way this chain came. I'm not gonna say who it is, it doesn't really matter. It's just gonna be a backup for now. So when I go pick up the custom piece I have for that one coming in, when I go pick that up, I'm gonna go and probably see if they got some white chains there. Gonna go ahead and give them a shout out again, 3 Cross Customs over there in Las Cruces, Nuevo Mexico. I'm really happy about this custom piece I'm gonna get. And I also want to give a big shout out to Aztec Riders, man. I had the president message me asking me if I want to join their bike club, and he seemed like a solid guy, cool guy. I guess he's from Cali, but he's based off in Arizona right now, and looks cool, man. Doing good stuff. Hey, what's up, you guys? Just a quick look at the bike. I'm gonna take her out for a little ride right now. I just tying up the chain a little bit more because I noticed it was really loose and it was falling off. And the last time I rode my bike, bro, I went on a pretty far ride, and I think I had to fix the chain like 3 times because it fell off. So what I did right now is I pulled the tire back, I loosened up, the nuts, and pulled the tire back as much as I could, tightened that back up, and then I aired up my tires, man. They were really flat, so I aired them up, and that helped a little bit too. So let's go see how she rides now. It's a little loose, but not too bad. But got her adjusted, tying these up. I actually went around and just, tying everything up. See how she rides now. Got her out here in the sun. Been a while since I've had her out. Looks a lot better with sunlight, if you ask me. But like I said, man, let's go and see what's up, See how she rides. Alright, guys, so we're back. Just left the house now. I am noticing the chain. It's not acting up too bad, but it is acting up a little bit. But let's see if maybe some grease or maybe some W40, will do the trick. But yeah, man, it's been a while since I rode in her. I usually ride her kind of slow, nothing too crazy. I do notice though when I stand on it, try to ride it, the chain does like go loose on it, like my weight, so maybe I gotta see what's up with that, but as long as I sit down and I ride it, really no issues. Woo. Gotta watch out for these potholes. But yeah, man, very nice. Kind of excited for the other bike. I'm just waiting for those parts. The one from the crew says for them to hit me up, man. They're powder coating the piece I wanted, so just waiting them for them to be like, hey, we're done. Pick it up. Chilling. I draw it one-handed right now because I'm trying to get some footage for you guys, Feel like Debo when he's riding his bike through the hood. Yeah. But what you guys think, man? We're out today. We're chilling. Getting that workout in. Baja la panza. It's that time, you know. But I'll probably pause this video and I'll catch you guys on the next scene. What up, you two? Here with the little part 2, man, because I didn't really like the footage I was getting yesterday. So I was like, you know what? I'll probably go for another little ride and try to record another video for you guys. Yesterday I just took her on the block. Today we actually out here in the hood. You feel me? Fucking homeless people burnt the wall and shit. But yeah, man. Decided to get a better video for you guys, you know. It's riding real nice, man. Shit. Right now, the road I just went down, it's like a little slope, so I don't even gotta pedal. Honestly, you don't pedal maybe up until you cross this street, maybe the other one. I let her just ride. So I'll probably go around the other way through the park this time. But we'll see. Just decided to record another video, like I said, you know. Little part 2. Sorry, I was having troubles with my camera. But yeah, man, we out here riding the bike, you know. You know, getting people saying what's up, you know. Other day in the neighborhood. But yeah, I don't know if I should go back the same way I came or just take you guys to the park, man. I'll probably take you guys to the park, bro, honestly. But yeah, man, she's riding clean, she's riding smooth. Can't be happier. I haven't had any issues with this so far, so let's hope, keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully nothing happens, you know. But yeah, right now we just going through the hood, honestly. Just riding through the hood. There's people over here, everywhere. You know, it's always active when it comes to being out here, you know. Switch it. Yeah, we here, man. They usually feed the homeless right here. Little vlog, you know. Sunlight. Thank you, Jay. You know, pretty nice weather today. It's a little breeze, so that little breeze is a little cold, so it helps out when you're riding, you feel me? But it's nice, man. Nice weather. You know, the park is over there, the school, but I'm gonna circle around. That's what we like to do, you know? Just chilling. So, I'm so jealous right now, you said. But I'm usually cool with the homeless, man. You know, as long as they don't really bug me or be too aggressive, you know, I'm chill with them. I ain't afraid of them, you know. I'm a local just like them. Shit, what's there to be afraid of? But yeah, man, shit. Decided to make a better video for you guys. Like, yesterday I didn't record too much as I would, you know. With the bumps. As you can see, no problem. Only thing they do scrape and I have them like straight down, but if I keep both my feet up a little bit, should have no problem getting over bumps, you know. We just chilling, as you can see, man. Everybody doing their part in the community. Right here is one of the middle schools. Probably one of the roads that people use the most is this one, tumble. Get up and down. Maybe next time I'll take you guys deeper in, you know, go to Central or something. Sorry about that, guys. Keeps on cutting off. But like I was saying, I'll probably take you guys more through the heart of the city, you know. Show you guys what Albuquerque is all about. But yeah, this ride back is gonna be tougher because, like I said, the way down this way is cool, man. You're going down that little. It's not too much of a slope, but it's just enough to keep you riding. But we out here, we out here. We good, we good. But yeah, just want to record at least. Well, let me get at least past the park for you guys. So you guys can at least check that out. But got people playing baseball over here. Chilling, nice weather, like I said. Everybody's chilling. I didn't even know they played baseball here. What's today? Tuesday? Monday? Feel me? See if I can get the park. This park is nice. They just finished it up. Really, really nice park to come ride. Maybe here soon I'll go take you guys in there too, man, next time. For the next video. You know? Keep pedaling. Keep pushing. We're almost there, you guys. But yeah, I think I'll let you guys go right here, man. End the video here. Maybe I'll add some clips either before or after this, you know. But thank you guys for watching. Your boy Chewy. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Alright, so we just got back home from the ride. As soon as I pulled up to the crib though, the chain kind of gave up on me. It looks like it went back into place, but kind of skipped. You get me? Kind of skipped a pedal, you feel me? So that was kind of weird. But other than that, still rides smooth, rides clean, bro. Like I said, that straight fork really helps me out when I ride because I'm not the tallest guy, but I'm pretty tall. So yeah, man, kind of happy. So let's see what's up. Hello YouTube, we're back. Like I told you guys, show you guys how to add these bike parts on. I just got done putting on the other pedal. I just had to put it on there, just get a little head start, you know. I also got done just greasing up all the parts I'm gonna need. For the ones I don't know, I went ahead and put grease in the headset frame. I put grease on the twisted headsets. I was telling you guys, I'm about to grease up these bad boys here, the bearing balls, and we're gonna go ahead and add that in, as well with the black and gold twisted rings. Like I was telling you guys, I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use yet, so we're gonna do that together. And the steering too, the one I'm probably more excited about. Usually I would probably add this with the spring fork, but we can still get it done. So really, you don't really need many tools to go ahead and add those. If anything, just some vice grips to tighten up the pedals, and this bad boy here to go ahead and add the headset. If you guys don't have one, I recommend you guys get one. I ordered mine on Walmart, man. Online, like 3 or 4 days I had it. I'm gonna go pick it up. yeah, I'm just about to grease up those bearing balls and show you guys how to put that on. I was gonna record this video yesterday, but it started raining, so I was like, damn. And I really want to record this video outside, especially right now with the weather getting nice, you feel me? Gotta take advantage of this nice weather, you guys. Shit. Yeah, man, just grease this up real quick. I get my grease at a local bike shop here in town, not too far from here, about 10 minutes away. It's called White Lithium Grease, all weather. That looks sweet. But yeah, I'm gonna try and not make this video too long, since you know I have all those other clips I added in there. But I really hope you guys enjoyed those clips I added in there, man. You know, I'll get better footage for you guys later on. I'll go cruising in downtown, central, like I said. That way we can see some better stuff, you know, you never know what you're gonna see in the city. But for sure, you're gonna see some lowriders. So, I'm gonna try to do that. But yeah, that one custom part I had ordered, not ready yet, so I'm gonna just try to wait on that, you feel me? Okay. Make sure I grease up everything real good, like I said. It's gonna be kind of hard since it's just me and I don't have a table and stuff, you know. But we'll get it done. It's about the right size. We'll find out here soon. So one. Stepped up very well. Always a prodigious and precocious talent in this PSG youth setup. To earn your way though into this team. As well as they coalesced last season with their Pele's, Vitinha just goes charging forward. So sharp in his ideas, Vitinha always seems to pick the right option. Yeah, immediate double team there. Frimpong and Dirks down the right-hand side. Then you see the movement here from PSG. Control, posed on the ball was Vitinha, as you mentioned, and breaks through the midfield, sees a couple of defenders, pulls one back, and they retain possession. Doesn't force anything. There you go. You gotta make sure it's lined up nice. But you gotta have the technical players to do it. It's a style that Luis Enrique is gonna live and die by, as he has throughout his entire career as a manager. Playing on that right side for the moment. Vitinha lifted it behind and well out of play. So pretty much you just make sure it's lined up right. And then you twist this over here. There's Artisan, who has to figure out a way to get a response out of his side and taking another defeat at the weekend. Everything went so well for him in year one, replacing Jurgen Klopp on the Premier League title. Looked like one of the best sides in Europe. Not straight. Got the money in the offseason, over 500 million spent in the transfer market. To bolster this side, myself, it wants to go from strength to strength, but it very much has gotten worse from one year to the next. Go as straight as possible. It's a real surprise, and usually in those cases, the blame goes towards the manager. There's a little bit of drama at the beginning of the season when just so much nice coming in at full speed. A good opportunity for Liverpool. I'll try to pull that back. Nobody in the penalty spot. Sorry, guys. I got a phone call and I didn't realize it had stopped recording, but I was already almost pretty much done, man. I was just kind of trying to fast forward a little bit, so you know the video won't be too long. But yeah, it looks like they went in there pretty good. I'm over here loosening it up now. This one was a little, a little tough. I had to put some strength into this one. But it looks good. Yeah, it looks fine. But yeah, like I said, double twisted headset. Yeah, as you can see there, just gotta take off the aggressive grease. There's those pedals, just basic brown ones, the ones you guys can probably see online everywhere. But simple but clean, you feel me? Now the next thing we're gonna put on is this right here, man. I'm really excited. Like I said, usually I would connect this to the sorry, I had to burp a little bit, but usually connect it to the fork. Sorry about that, you guys. My little sister came by to drop off one of the dogs. She had took one of the dogs for a walk, and she had just got back. But again, we got the headset in, got the pedals, got the sprocket, and then we have the bottom cups. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the steering tube. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna have one of the bearings at the bottom. I have the other bearings with the screw ready to go. So basically this just slips in there. Feel me? There you go. Make sure the bearings go in there right. Then we're gonna grab this. Goes in there. Drop it in perfectly. Brought to you by Bet365. And Heineken, UEFA Champions League official partners. And then after this, really what you gotta do is just tighten it up. Maybe cherry, you feel me? Basically, that's all you do. Honestly, man, I'm gonna wait on the rings until we actually start to get all the other stuff, because I gotta really look at it and think about it, about the gold, or if I want to add some black right here, you know. Like I said, this bike's gonna have gold, black, and brown. But go ahead and leave a comment down at the bottom about what you guys think I should put on it. If I should go with the black ring, or I like the gold, looks nice. Go with the gold ring. Feel me? But yeah, man, thank you guys for watching this video.